Kasama tayo lahat na individual, i-welcome ninyo sa masaya lang ako na yung Bexi nandiyan dyan, laging nagsusuporta, na lagi naman natin sinusuporta. But this is not about what organization, whose organization. This is you. It's all about in Manila, you're always welcome. Kaya alisin niyo sa isipan ninyo, hindi, sila lang yun. No, tayo ito. Ito'y ginagawa ng lungsod para ipadala ang mensahe hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa mundo. That here in Manila, walang mahirap, walang middle class, walang mayaman, walang bakla, walang tomboy, walang lalaki, walang babae. Lahat pantay-pantay sa lungsod. So this is the first event. I dream of this in 2019, but pandemic hit. Kaya isinap namin natin. Pinayodan muna natin yung taong bayan na nasa loob ng pandemya, which kasama kayo. At nais ko rin na ipabalita dahil sa Bexi, bumilis yung food packs noong nakaraang pandemya. Ang mga akla ko, maglaki yan ng mga set. Kakabuhat ng corn beef. But I'm proud of you, with all honesty. Kayo yun eh. So this is the time for you to shine in Manila. Let's spread the love and hospitality of the city government and the people. Tandaan niyo lagi, we, the people. Kaya sa inyo, ayayain niyo na lahat sila sa Metro Manila. Magsaya tayo, magsama-sama tayo. This is for you. Dedicated, an event by the city government, dedicated for you. My God, tatandaan na ng ibang akla rito, mga mamasang na, itsura. First time. Dito. Wala ka. Kasi tumatanda na mo. Ibig sabihin for the first time. So let's make this something memorable and something unique that can be duplicated next year. So this is the first time, so I'm expecting each and every one of you. And this event, your Sports Fest, is the prelude of all other activities in the coming days and months in the city of Manila with regard to LGBTQIA+.
Yes!
Join?
Join!
Langa. Mag-iingat kayo, enjoy the day. Walang magsasabunutan na basketball ito. Hindi ito sampalan. But ingat kayo. In my own little way, sa maliit kong kaparanan, kasama ko yung ating mga opisyal. We are all behind you. By law, by resources, in our heart, in our mind. Yan, tatandaan nyo lagi. So muli, welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng congratulations in advance. I love you.
I love you.
Nagpalainawa kayo ng Manila!